In this video, I'll show you 4 ways to make money with Instagram. One of them will allow you to make money within 12 hours from now. I've personally done this myself and it's really easy. Make sure to stick around until the end, as that is when I will reveal the 12-hour method. So let's get straight into it. The first way you can make money with Instagram is probably the most common one and the one that can make you the most money, by selling a product as an affiliate. This might not be very easy if you are totally new, as this method requires you to have a product to sell and also have a good amount of followers to actually get some sales. Now, if you do have a good amount of followers, we can head over to either ClickBank or Amazon, for example, and sign up as an affiliate. Pick a product that fits your niche and then start promoting this product on your account with the link in bio and in your stories. Let's say that you have a fitness account with 20,000 followers. You then find a fitness watch that costs $200 on Amazon. Amazon pays 4 to 8% commission, which gives you around $15 per sale. So if only 5% of your followers buy, you make $1,500. However, you can find products with much higher commissions. Amazon does actually pay a very low commission compared to other websites like ClickBank, for example. I am personally selling an Instagram growth course as an affiliate, paying me 40% commissions. This makes me around $400 on each sale, and I am averaging 2 sales each week. This is done with an affiliate link in my bio on my Prime Traveler account. And this account only has 30,000 followers, so this is totally doable for any account. The second way you can make money with Instagram is by selling or flipping accounts. The Instagram market for accounts is very new, so a lot of people don't know how much to sell their accounts for. Another good option is to grow an account up to 20, 50, or even 100k followers and then sell it for anything between $500 to $3,000 depending on your engagement rate. Now, growing an account to 100k or even just 10k followers may seem like a big milestone, but with the formula I use to grow my accounts, you can literally go from 0 to 10k followers in less than 30 days. However, this method would only be for the dedicated ones who are really looking to make big bucks on Instagram and also who are willing to invest some money in it. But if this sparked an interest in you, we're talking a 5k a month formula here. Hit me up on Instagram at Prime Traveler and I will teach you how to do this. The third way you can make money on Instagram is similar to the first one. However, this time you sell a product as a dropshipper and not as an affiliate. As a dropshipper, you can select the price for the product yourself and you get all of the money. If your account is about watches, for example, you can find some super cheap watches on AliExpress. They are actually looking really good and working really good for only $3 to $20. To actually sell these watches for a higher price, you need to set up an online store. This may take you some time, but you could also easily pay someone to do this for you for only $50 to $100. Once your online store is set up, you add the product images, write a nice description, and set some decent prices, and then start promoting them on your Instagram account. The cool thing about this is that you don't actually need to buy the product from AliExpress before you know that someone has purchased it on your store. So whenever you get an order on your store, you simply go to AliExpress, you buy the product and ship it directly to your customer's address. The fourth way you can make money with Instagram is by selling shoutouts. I know that a lot of people know about this already, but hear me out as I have some pretty cool information about selling shoutouts. A really good way of doing this that not many people know about is by setting up an account on shoutcart.com. By simply having your account there and listing your shoutout rates, people will automatically order from you on the website itself without you having to do anything or promote it. All you have to do is just post the image and the caption they provide you and post it on your Instagram page for a few hours. This is super easy money. To set up an account, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and a decent engagement rate. So, for those of you who don't have 10K followers, might want to consider growing that first. But if you already have 10,000 followers, then you will be able to make money in less than 12 hours from now using this strategy. Simply add your account to shoutcart.com and wait for it to get verified, and once it's verified, you'll potentially start getting orders from people straight away. The pricing of your shoutouts is up to you, but I would highly recommend to look at what other similar accounts are charging and model it similar to them. So there you have it, 4 easy ways to make money on Instagram. Now, before I end this video, I just want to say that to actually make money on Instagram, you need to have a niche specific account. This is not necessary if you are famous, but for the average person, it's really hard to make money with just a personal account. You also should have a good amount of followers, as 1,000 followers is simply not enough to make decent money on Instagram. So I would suggest to grow your account to at least 10,000 followers before you start trying hard and making money.